Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. Let's begin with the tutorial How to Export Google Chrome Bookmark. Open your Google Chrome, click on the vertical three dots on your top right corner of your browser, hover over Bookmark, then click on Bookmark Manager. Alternatively, you can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus O. In the Bookmark Manager, click on the three vertical dots on the top right corner of Bookmark Manager page. From the drop-down menu, select Export Bookmark. A dialog box will pop up, prompting you to save the bookmarks file. Chrome will export your bookmark as an HTML file. Choose a location to save the file on your desktop or document. Then click Save. Your bookmarks are now saved in HTML file in the location you select. You can use this file to import bookmarks into another browser and save it as backup. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our